Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do a comparison between PayPal and Venmo, and we are going to conclude with which platform you should use better for payment option. So, both PayPal and Venmo are owned by PayPal Holdings, but they cater to different audiences. That means that the usefulness of PayPal is going to be very different from these of Venmo. Venmo is going to be designed for casual, social payments between friends and family, while PayPal is a more comprehensive digital payment platform used for personal, business, and international transactions. So, yeah, I have defined for here the platform of PayPal and also Venmo. This is going to be a more professional platform that will hold a money or financial management for an account, and this or Venmo is going to be a very simplified platform for in between social payment between friends, families, and also simple task payments. Now, let's talk about the fees. Venmo is going to be sending money from a linked bank account or debit card is going to be free, but using a credit card incurs a 3% fee. Instant transfer to a bank account costs 1.75% fee, and also it has going to be a max value for that of a $25 per transactions. Here on PayPal, it is going to be very similar to Venmo. PayPal charges a 2.9 plus fixed fee for credit card transactions. It also has international transfer fees of 5% with a minimum of $0.99 and a more complex fee structure for businesses transactions. So, for the transactions and transfer limits, we're going to talk about Venmo first. The users of Venmo can send up to $7,000 per week for verified accounts and also transfer up to $5,000 per transaction, which is going to max out of $20,000 per week to a bank account. But for PayPal, it will allow a transaction up to 60,000% with no weekly limit, making it better for larger amount of money or payments. For the international use, Venmo is going to be only a US, let's say, limited region for the usefulness. It cannot be used for international transactions. But in the other side, PayPal is going to be available in plus 200 countries and also supports 25 currencies, making it the better option for global transactions. Now, let's talk about the business and also the online payment. The Venmo is going to be best for peer to peer or P2P payments and small businesses transactions, but it is not a widely accepted by merchants. Some online retailers accept Venmo, but options are going to be limited. But for PayPal, it is going to be known worldwide. It is going to be supporting 100% of the online and also in store payments, offering buyers protections, and it is widely accepted by businesses. For the security and also the privacy, both platforms use the encryption and fraud protection, but PayPal provides additional security features like passkeys and fraud monitoring. The Venmo transactions are publicly or public by default, though settings can be changed, but making PayPal a more private option, this is the case in here. So for the speed and the fluidity of the options or the platforms, Venmo is going to be a free transfers. In here, it will take about 1 to 3 days, while instant transfers with a fee happen within minutes. And for the PayPal's, I have tried it. It will not take that long as they have mentioned, but it is going to offer instant transfers, but may take 3 to 5 business days for bank withdrawals. I have used that for bank withdrawals, and it took me, I think, maximum of 8 hours, I think, or 7 hours, maybe less, maybe more. I don't not remember. But here we have finally arrived to the conclusion of this specific comparison. Which one you should use, PayPal or Venmo? To answer this question, Venmo is going to be best for personal transactions between friends and family, especially within the US, because it is going to be only working on the United States. And PayPal is ideal for businesses, online shopping, and international payment, and also larger transactions. Here, if you need an easy to use app for quick payments with friends, go ahead with Venmo. If you are going to need some more security about the transactions, also you need to transfer a larger amount of payments or money, you need PayPal. It is going to be up to your useness or use of the specific platforms or the financial platforms to define what is going to be better. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.